May I have your attention, please?
12005 Kalka Shatabdi
To Kalka via Panipat Ambala Cant will depart at its scheduled time, 17 hours, 15 minutes from platform number 1. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए
12,394 संपूर्ण क्रांति एक्सप्रेस
कानपुर सेंट्रल के रास्ते पटना को जाने वाली अपने निर्धारित समय 17:25 पर प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 16 से जाएगी। May I have your attention, please?
12394 संपूर्ण क्रांति एक्सप्रेस
To Patna via Kanpur Central will depart at its scheduled time, 17 hours, 25 minutes from platform number 16. May I have your attention, please?
12005 Kalka Shatabdi
To Kalka via Panipat Ambala Cant will depart at its scheduled time, 17 hours, 15 minutes from platform number 1.